In this video, we'll explore how to work with objects inside the Labvanced task editor. Objects are the core building blocks of your study in Labvanced. From images to videos and audios, text, buttons, and more, each object can be added to the frame and customized to suit your needs. From creating simple tasks to advanced interactive studies, Labvanced's object system offers everything you need to build and customize your experiment with full control and precision. To add an object, simply click on it in the Object toolbar and drag it to position how you like. On the right, under the Objects tab, you can manage your objects, change their order, copy, or delete. In Labvanced, objects are grouped into categories: images and drawing objects, media, text, buttons and navigation, question objects, input objects, and various objects. By clicking the first icon on the Objects side menu, a list of available images and drawing objects will appear. This is where you can add image stimuli, SVGs, allow for canvas drawing, or make a polygon. The image object can be used to show an image on a canvas frame. For eye tracking studies, the SVG object supports complex shapes to trigger events based on gaze or eye fixations. The canvas drawing object lets participants draw on the screen. Similarly, the polygon object creates custom shapes or polylines and can also be used to define areas of interest for tracking participant gaze and interaction. Media objects allow you to present visual and audio stimuli. These include videos, audio files, tools for recording audio and video, camera snapshot, and video conference. For instance, you can use the video object to show videos that may change dynamically during the experiment. You can also use the audio object to play sounds or music for participants. Additionally, audio recording and video recording objects are particularly useful for studies that require real-time feedback from participants. The video recording object can be used to take a video of either the participant or their screen. You need to combine this with events in order to control the uploading of the data. Camera snapshot object can be used to take a quick snapshot of the participant during the experiment. Text objects allow you to present written information to participants. You can use the text object to show static or variable linked text, making it easy to customize content based on experimental conditions. The HTML object is a powerful tool for users who want to display custom HTML code within their experiment. The variable object also allows you to link a variable to it to show its value in real time. Buttons and navigation elements are vital for guiding participants through the study. The button object is commonly used to trigger specific events when clicked. For example, jumping to the next frame, which is essential for almost every study. Additionally, navigation objects provide pre-made buttons for moving back and forth between frames, and a progress bar object lets participants track their progress throughout the experiment. Question objects are key for collecting responses and demographic information from participants. You can use checkbox for multiple selections, allowing participants to select all options that apply to them. Multiple choice is ideal for single answer questions where participants can choose only one option from a list. The Likert scale enables participants to rate their agreement or opinion on a scale, usually ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. The matrix object allows for more complex survey designs, showing multiple questions in a grid format for easier comparison across items. Input objects allow participants to enter their own responses, which are then stored in variables. The input object collects short responses, while the paragraph object is used for longer text entries. These inputs can collect data in various formats, such as text, numbers, or dates. You can also use the range for collecting responses via a sliding scale. The selection object for picking responses from a drop-down menu. Lastly, we have the various objects category, which includes useful tools. The sortable object for drag and drop sorting tasks. The invisible element can be used to trigger events when participants click or hover over it, though it remains hidden. The upload object, allowing participants to upload files as part of their response. The iframe feature lets you embed external websites directly into your experiment. The substudy object is a powerful object where you can essentially embed another Labvanced study within a study. This is useful if you have a standard questionnaire that you present to all your participants. Once selected, objects can be customized using the Object Properties panel on the right. Adjust their size, position, upload files and change properties, or even link them to events, so they respond to participant actions. For more advanced customization, you can even edit an object's CSS properties, giving you complete control over its appearance and behavior. Want to make your experiment interactive? Objects can be linked to events. For example, if you want an image to increase in size when clicked, simply create an event to handle it. The trigger will be a mouse click on the image, and the action will be a doubling of its height and width. Let's test it out. This is how it will appear to participants. Dive into the editor, explore the possibilities, and start building your study today.